I'm here today at Marlborough Engineering in Belfast, who have been a client of Momentum's for the last 5 years. They have availed very heavily of the R&D tax credits and have been a very good client of Momentum's. What that has allowed the company to do is to reinvest whatever they have been getting back through their R&D tax credits into new products and processes. They're exporting their products globally now. This has allowed the company from a sustainability point of view to reinvest in their people, into their machinery, their equipment. As a long-established company since 2009, Momentum are leaders in their field when it comes to research and development tax credits. We have technical consultants, we have chartered accountants, we have a team of experts who are really good at identifying the true value of what R&D is for clients, hence the reason why so many clients throughout the whole of the UK and Ireland choose Momentum. As R&D tax credits can be quite time-consuming and very technical, Momentum's business model is that we undertake the majority of the work, so that allows the companies to work on their daily activities. We have launched a white paper for mainly the manufacturing sector to create the level of awareness, because there is a huge lack of understanding and a lack of awareness within this sector, and this white paper will allow mainly the manufacturing companies within Northern Ireland to find a bit more information. The manufacturing sector in Northern Ireland generates annual sales of 20 billion and employs just over 80,000 people. It has been proven that innovative companies experience a much faster growth rate, with those in the industrial manufacturing sector growing by 38% over this last 3 years compared to those who didn't by just 10%. Our message is very clear: innovation breeds success, and we support the innovative process. Successfully identifying projects that qualify for the R&D tax relief requires considerable technical knowledge in improving products, processes or services, or making an appreciable improvement to something already in existence, as well as an in-depth understanding of the current UK tax legislation. In an unregulated area involving complex financial review, working with an expert team is vital. This is where Momentum really come in.